Exercise: complex sentences. In this exercise, you'll practice identifying complex sentences. Read each sentence and identify the subordinate clause. Then, state what the subordinate clause is doing in the sentence, for instance, showing time, reason, purpose, etc. For example, I will eat dinner after I finish my homework. The subordinate clause is, after I finish my homework. It shows time. The answers immediately follow the question, so pause the video if you need more time to think. I went to the shop, even though it was raining outside. The subordinate clause is, even though it was raining outside. It says, despite the fact that the book, which I was reading last night, was amazing. The subordinate clause is, which I was reading last night. It gives further information. I will go to the park if the sun comes out. The subordinate clause is, if the sun comes out. The action is conditional on something else happening. She took a nap before the party, so she could be well rested. The subordinate clause is, so she could be well rested. Meaning, for this reason, therefore. I decided to stay home because I was feeling tired. The subordinate clause is, because I was feeling tired. Meaning, for the reason that, since. He finished the puzzle, although it was difficult. The subordinate clause is, although it was difficult. Meaning, in spite of the fact that, even though. I will call you when I get home, so we can plan our weekend. The subordinate clause is, so we can plan our weekend. Meaning, with the aim that, in order that. She danced in the rain, as she loved the feeling of the cool water. The subordinate clause is, as she loved the feeling of the cool water. It says, because, since. I won't go to the party until I finish my work. The subordinate clause is, until I finish my work. Meaning, up to the point in time. The dog barked loudly, as it heard a noise outside. The subordinate clause is, as it heard a noise outside. Meaning, because, since. Remember, complex sentences allow us to express more complex thoughts and ideas. They are particularly useful for showing cause and effect, making comparisons, and showing contrast. So keep practicing.